How to open an Excel file in Google Sheets. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Excel. I have this data. Now you can simply select and press on Ctrl+C on your keyboard, which will copy all your data after you've selected. Now open Google Sheets and press Ctrl+B, which will paste everything. This is one way. Another way what you can do is open Google Sheets and click on File at the top. After you click on File, click on Import in here. After you click on Import, you'll find different options to import your file. My Drive, Shared with Me, Recent. If it's in your computer, click on Upload. Then click on Browse at the bottom. After you've clicked on Browse, you'll find all your files. Select the Excel file and press on Open at the bottom. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Import Data. After you've clicked on Import Data, in here, click on Open Now and you will find Google Sheets. And this is how to open an Excel file in Google Sheets. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.